Can I put my home in a trust even if there's still a mortgage on it? We've addressed this, but I'm going to do it a little differently this time. Before I get there, I'd like you to think about a friend who's being challenged with a what-if scenario that creeps into their lives, but they're better prepared because you shared our videos. We would appreciate it, as will your friend. I'm 𝗣𝗿𝗰𝗲𝗍𝗍, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we're here to educate everyone for free. So please drop us your questions, and hopefully together we're going to help some folks along the way. Now, if you've stuck around to take in my other educational insights, you'd know my very first question to this question would be, what type of trust are we talking about? This often makes a very big difference in the way that we respond to these questions. Now, a mortgaged property may absolutely be transferred into a revocable living trust. No worries, no problems. A revocable living trust is still you, just in a different form. Your mortgage can continue as such. However, I do take a different and more conservative approach to funding property into an irrevocable trust for asset protection purposes. We in our firm never do this with a mortgage property. While you may get past the mortgage provisions in the bank that would say, hey, you're required to make payment of your full mortgage because you're changing the owner, you could probably get past that if there's a life estate maintained by you as the grantor. There is still a potential Medicaid could argue that you have an element of control over that property if you continue to individually pay the mortgage on a monthly basis into that irrevocable trust. And so because most of our clients who would be funding their home into this type of asset protection trust are not also necessarily funding a large amount of liquid assets to cover the mortgage, we typically do not go this route. We hope that you've learned something new here today and that you choose to share. And as always, please take care.